Glamazons, it is me, long time no see, and this is going to be a sponsored video by a company named Jolieee. I was sent a care package. They allowed me to choose 25 items off of their website. I have not opened this or looked at it. I just cut it open so I can access it. So, alright, as you can see, it's Jolieee, and they are based in California. So I picked 25 items off the website, and everything is about $1. So we're going to go through this together. So I don't really remember what I ordered, guys, but Jolieee contacted me. And so we're going to see what we've got here. Okay, so this is a pack of earrings, and these are really pretty. I'm seeing this all for the first time with you, so let's take a look here. They remind me of Shop Miss A. This feels kind of good. These are cute. I like these. And so if I'm not mistaken, this was $1. I really like this color right here, and I like the blue. So that's cool. They wanted me to give an honest review of what I think about their stuff. This is a sugar lip scrub, strawberry. I tried to pick a really good assortment of things. Okay, it's not sealed. Let me see what this smells like. It actually smells really nice. I don't know if you guys can see the consistency of that. Alright, let me put this on my lips really quick. Well, it does have a chemical kind of taste to it, and definitely like an artificial kind of taste. But it's not bad for $1. I don't know if I would get that again, but it's not terrible, but I've had better. Whoops. Keep losing you guys. Oh, there's more stuff in here. I don't remember what I ordered, guys, so we are seeing this together. I think this is a bracelet. I think this is called the Cleopatra bracelet. Okay. Okay, this is cute. No stones are missing. Obviously, this is costume jewelry. This is very, very cute. I like that. It's adjustable. Nice, nice, nice. For $1, you can't complain. Ooh, now these are really nice. These are faux pearls. And they're pretty lightweight. These must be plastic. These are pretty. These are very pretty for springtime. Again, I'm seeing all of this for the first time with you guys. So, this is a live reaction. But I did hand choose all of this stuff. A wonderful lady named Joyce reached out to me. This is like an elephant charm bracelet. See. Okay, so this is definitely plastic. It's plastic. This part might be metal, but these beads are plastic. But this is really cute. Again, for $1, it's really, really cute. And this is like a bolo style necklace with a hammered triangle, and it ends in some spikies there. Okay, I noticed some discoloration right here. So it's supposed to be gold tone, but it's definitely discolored right here. And this is like a suede. I mean, not bad for $1, but I don't like that it's discolored, which lets me know that this is going to turn colors. But if you want to fix that, just spray it with the Crystal Krylon. Here we have a faux pearl bracelet with the heart drop. If you hear noise in the background, that's my new kitten. If you follow me on social media, you'll know my beloved Louise passed away a couple weeks ago, and that's why I've been missing. I've been pretty devastated. Louise was 11 years old. May she rest in peace. But I have a new kitten, and her name is Pebbles, and she's terrorizing my kitchen right now. But yes, this is faux pearl. These are definitely plastic with fake turquoise beads, which are definitely like plastic, and a little heart here. But again, this is cute. You know what? Let me see something here. This is cute. Okay, it's cute. Feels good. The elastic seems very good. So, okay. Not bad for $1. Oh my god, Pebbles is like tearing my kitchen up. Now this thing here is supposed to be a makeup brush cleaner. And it comes in different colors, so I'm excited to try this. I'll let you guys know how this works, because like I said, I'm seeing all of this for the first time right now. This is a live unboxing. So, it's brush egg. And I guess you maybe slide your fingers in there and then you clean your brushes. So, this should be kind of cool. I need that. So, if you need to clean your makeup brushes, they have this, and I think it's $1 or $2, so that's really good. Okay, so I picked a bangle set. You guys know I love bangle sets, especially for summer. Okay, so not for children 14 and under, but these are pretty. These are really pretty. Let me see. Oh, they're big. Okay, these are big. They're a little too big for me, but they're really pretty. Okay, not bad. If you have larger hands, that would be great for $1. They also have skincare. So, let's see. What is this one? This is the Drink Up Skin Animated Animal. I don't remember picking this one, but okay, but it's a Korean face mask. I love this kind of stuff, so this is really cool. I'm definitely going to go back for more things like that. So they do accessories, but they do other things as well. But I did try to pick a little bit of everything. So this one is a pearl sheet mask. Can't wait to try that. I love Korean skincare. So this one's the snail mask. Some of them are $1, some of them are not. This one's rose. Very cool. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, another bracelet with the heart charm. Okay, I won't be able to get this one out. It's like wedged in there. But it's metal. And this one looks a little more expensive. This one looks a little high end. Whoops. Sorry guys, the camera keeps sliding. But yeah, this is cool. This is pretty cool. And I have, whoops, I have another one with a star. So that's that one. And it seems like there's only one more thing left in here. This camera is like so sliding right now, guys. Oh, wait, no, there's something else. Oh, okay, so I have a long strand of faux pearls. Let me get that out the way. A long strand of faux pearls. Let's see. See what these feel like. Okay, so they're not individually knotted. I mean, these are cheapies, but for $1, oh no, look at that. Okay, so there's some damage on this strand. Hold on. Focus. Yeah, so there's some damage on this strand. No bueno. Uh-oh. See what happens when a live unboxing? So, okay, since this was $1, I would just make this the back of the necklace. If you make it the back of the necklace, it's fine. I mean, I've had better faux pearls, but for $1, this is great. You know, if there's like a young lady who's like 15, 13, 16, 17, this will be good for $1. All right, so their sticker is here. There's one more little package here, so let's see. And there's no slip, no invoice, which is weird. So I would have to check my email to see if everything's in here. Ooh, these are beautiful. Okay, so these are earrings. These are gorgeous. Ooh, I like these. For $1. Gorgeous. Oh my god, those are gorgeous. And I know they come in different colors. Ooh, look at these. Oh my goodness. The Chanel style. These are plastic, but oh my goodness. Ooh, these are nice. These are nice for $1. Wow, and these came in different colors too. Beautiful. So again, you want to check out Jolieee.com, JOLIEEE.com. These are clip-ons. They do sell clip-on earrings, and these are like a vintage style. Very cute. I think you guys are about to meet Pebbles because it seems like she wants to jump on the bed, but we'll see. These are cute. I don't see any stones missing, so okay. Oh, these are prettier than I thought they would be. So yeah, if you want affordable costume jewelry and you don't have pierced ears, check out Jolieee because they do have a lot of clip-on earrings. I noticed that. Because I know not everyone has their ears pierced. Up, it's broken. Uh-oh. Okay, so these are totally defective. Look at that. Like, they're seriously broken. How disappointing. I see the jump ring, so I'll be able to take these apart and fix them. But what a bummer. Those are broken. They're really pretty. But okay. Quality control messed up there. Aw, this is a little faux pearl turtle adjustable bracelet. That's cute. These would be great to put inside of Easter eggs for like little girls that are like, you know, 13, 14. It's empty. Ooh, these are pretty. These are prettier than I thought. Let's see if these are okay. Oh, okay. These are gorgeous. And I do remember these came in pink and in white. These are beautiful. Okay, those are lovely. And then here are some Eiffel Tower earrings. These are a little flimsy, I have to admit. They're a little flimsy, but they're cute. are cute. I mean, for me, I would need something a little bit better quality, but these are cute. And then last but not least, I got some eyelashes. These look very wide, very, very big. These are human hair. I thought these would be a little bit daintier. Oh goodness, these look like drag queen lashes. Okay, so the lashes, that's a little disappointing because they look so pretty on the website. And these are really big. My eyes are not this big. I mean, I feel like I could cut them in half and get 2 pairs. But these are really, really big. I mean, these are like clown lashes. I'm not sure what to do with these. But okay. I mean, $1 a pair. I mean, maybe you want to experiment and try some. Maybe you'll find a good pair. Don't know what I'm going to do with these because so far I'm not feeling them. But hey, I don't know. But okay, so honestly, guys, my honest opinion for Jolieee. So far, I would go there for the skincare mask, for sure. They had other stuff, like there were some brushes. Some of the jewelry is honestly hit or miss. Like, these are beautiful. These are pretty, but they came damaged. These are beautiful. But then the pearls came damaged, and honestly, this is very flimsy. Like this, I would give to like a child. So it's hit or miss. I mean, for $1, you can't really beat it. Honestly, I would give Jolieee like a 7 out of 10. It's not a 10 out of 10, but it's a 7 out of 10. I definitely think you guys should check it out. And again, this video was sponsored. These items were sent to me for free. I did not spend any money for these. I just chose these items off the website. Thank you, Jolieee, for contacting me. And thank you, Joyce. Joyce, you were wonderful. I hope you get a raise. Forgot to open these up. These are just gorgeous. Oh my god, like for this, oh my god, this is worth it. These are beautiful. I can't wait to wear them. So like, if I were to order from Jolieee, like let's say I wanted to buy gifts for someone, I would order it, I would send it to myself, and I would double check everything first for the quality before I give it to somebody. The lip scrub, not really feeling it too much, and the tube feels kind of empty. Like it feels like it's only like up to here full of product. But then these are really cute. So like some of the earrings are really, really nice. Even the lightweight ones are really, really nice. And I will say their jewelry is very trendy. Like this is cute. The only other thing I will say is there was no invoice inside. So I don't know if I got everything that I asked for. It seems like something's missing, but I'm not sure. I would have to go all the way back in my emails to see if something's missing. But everything came packaged nicely. Out of 25 items, I think only 2 to 3 were damaged, from what I can tell. And that's not bad. I mean, again, everything was like $1, so. But if you want my honest recommendation, I would take a look at the lashes. I would definitely recommend the face mask because these are a good deal. And they're honestly made in Korea. It's good for clip-on earrings. If you need clip-on earrings, I would definitely recommend Jolieee. If you like bangles and you have a larger hand, I would definitely check out Jolieee because these are great for $1 if you have larger hands. And then check out the cool stuff like this makeup brush cleaner. So I can't wait to try that. I mean, for $1, you really, really can't go wrong. So that's my honest review. I will link everything below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, Glamazons.